And kind of a dreary day across the area, but no severe weather. We did see some pops of sunshine from time to time. I want to show you where the rain is right now. We are tracking some relatively light showers across southeastern Palm Beach County, Boynton Beach, Lake Worth Beach, West Palm, and just a little light rain northern Palm Beach County, as well as way out west out in some rural areas. So we are tracking showers overnight tonight through tomorrow, as we currently have a warm front across the Florida Straits. That's just north of the Florida Keys, and as that warm front lifts north, we will be tracking some showers. More on that in a moment. Current temps right now, some rain cooled air there in Boynton Beach and Boca, 75 Boynton, 77 for Boca Raton, and temperatures a little bit warmer on the Treasure Coast right now into the low 80s, 82 for Stewart, 82 Indiantown, and 82 degrees in Okeechobee. So I want to show you Vipercast through this evening, showing spotty activity, lots of clouds, especially Palm Beach County and Martin County, and overnight we'll continue to see the clouds, possible showers as well, and that is why we have a threat for excessive rainfall as we head into Sunday. So it just includes that little southern edge, the extreme southeastern tip of Martin County, and most of the populated areas of Palm Beach County. Now the good news, it's a level 1, a marginal risk out of the high risk. So but even 1 to 2 inches with all that we've been facing with the tornadoes, and a lot of folks right now are just trying to clean up from what they just went through. We don't need the extra rain to exacerbate the situation. If you missed it at the top of the show, I do want to show you these reports. Preliminary tornado reports from Fort Pierce. EF3 winds estimated to be between 140 and 150 mile-per-hour winds. That's almost a Category 5. Path length 13 miles. Spanish Lakes, that was an EF2 with winds 125 to 135. 20 mobile and manufactured homes were destroyed. So very, very powerful there. Stewart had 2 separate tornadoes, one rated an EF2, one an EF1, one with 95 mile-per-hour winds and one with 120 mile-per-hour winds. And of course, the strong EF3 that went through Wellington, that went through the acreage, Locks Groves, Avenir, Palm Beach Gardens, ended in Jupiter Farms, that had 140 mile-per-hour winds, a path length of 21 miles. So that is a very long track tornado. All right, we're seeing some big changes back here at home this week. We're going to see a cool front, and that's dropping us all the way down to about 79 degrees on Thursday. So our first real taste of fall, and boy, could we use it. Now for tonight, look out for some scattered showers, maybe a spot storm. 76 degrees for our low here at the coast, slightly cooler inland, 20% chance of rain to a 30%. And then tomorrow, rain chances around 60% with some scattered thunderstorms possible. High temperatures kept a little bit below average in the mid-80s. Not a great day for boating on Sunday. Small craft should exercise caution. Winds out of the east 10 to 15 knots. Your seas 3 to 5, occasionally up to 7. Inland waters, a moderate chop. High tide at 5:17. Low tide 10:51 in the morning. Now here's your 7-day forecast, and it does give us a glimmer of hope. Sunday, kind of a transition day, kind of an unsettled day. 60% chance of scattered showers and storms. But then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, much drier, and then a cold front rolls through Thursday. High of 79. Lows inland and even at the coast dropping into the upper 60s. So our first taste of fall is on the way. Yeah, as we know, our communities need our help. These are 2 preliminary tornado reports from the Wednesday outbreak that was unprecedented. We had an EF3 in Fort Pierce, 140 to 150 mile-per-hour winds. The path length was 13 miles. The tornado that impacted Spanish Lakes was actually an EF2, winds 125 to 135, and 20 mobile and manufactured homes were destroyed. A very, very tragic situation. Then in Stewart, we had 2 tornadoes. One was classified an EF2, one was rated an EF1. The 120 mile-per-hour winds had a path length of 5.7 miles. And of course, the big tornado outbreak in Palm Beach County. The same tornado ripped through Wellington, Loxahatchee Groves, Avenir, the acreage, Palm Beach Gardens, then finally finished right around Jupiter Farms region. That was an EF3 with 140 mile-per-hour winds, which is the same as a Category 4 hurricane. So just unbelievable strength with those tornadoes. Now, the only thing we have going on right right now is some moisture lifting up north. We have a warm front to our south and a trough, so we expect some unsettled weather overnight through Sunday, and we could see some localized flooding. In fact, we are under a risk of marginal flooding, just at level 1 out of level 4. But keep that in mind as we head throughout the day on Sunday, because you don't want to drive through any ponding of water on roadways. And of course, our grounds are already very saturated from all of the rain we had the past week. So it's not going to take much rain to exacerbate the situation. And we have folks in compromised housing due to the impacts of Milton. Current temps 70s for everybody. Overnight lows in the 70s. Nice to see just a little bit of sunshine today on the Treasure Coast. So high pressure off to our north and to our northeast. That's giving us an east to east northeast wind. We do have rain in the forecast overnight tonight through Sunday. So not a washout, and the highest chances will be Palm Beach County coastal areas. That's Sunday 4:30, some rain even into your Sunday evening. But next week looking much better as we are tracking the first real cold front of the season, and I think folks are ready for that change. There you can see temperatures dropping on Thursday. Here's your 7-day forecast. We do have just low-end rain chances Monday, Tuesday, but tomorrow keep those umbrellas handy, and then much drier, cooler by Thursday.